Hi everyone. So in my video I'm going to talk about two beautiful features that my favorite by far on the new 10.2 Parktool mechanic stand. And this is the first one. If you look over here, it's got this piece of rubber and I'm resting my bicycle here. I have it clipped on and it's resting on this saddle. And now I can spin the wheel and I can see if the wheel is true or not. Same thing with the front one. Even the front one is in the air and it's going to spin. And if you look, I have it mounted quite here and it's holding it and it's pretty nice and firm. The second one is the quick release. Love it. See? You see, it works. Beautiful. Again, I'm going to link one of these in the description through my affiliated links, and you can buy the new Parktool stand that even has a work tray. Hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.